Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a gel set. I have this orange that I got from AliExpress. I have a white, Snow White from Nao. I got this from Smileys. Boogie Woogie, so I want to use that. It's such a pretty colour. I love. Also, I got this from Charlie's Nail Art. I will be using probably that one. We shall see. And then I've got these coral butterflies from A&A Glitter, which I wanted to use. See, on camera that's looking like orangey orange, but it's not. It's a coral, hence the name, coral butterfly. So I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Okay, I'll probably do this one white and the rest orange. So shall I zoom in a tad? There you go. Let me move these. Okay. Oops. So clumsy, you know that. Blame the tablets. Right. We'll do one coat, stick it in the lamp, do the second coat. So how are you all doing? So I haven't really been on much. I've got so many videos that I need to catch up on, so if I haven't watched your videos, don't take it personally, it's just because I haven't really been on. But yeah, if you've done any videos and I haven't watched, and then gosh, please leave a comment and I will go and watch. So please don't take it to heart. Don't take it personally that I haven't watched a video. It's just lots been going on. Oh shit. I just put my thumb on, or I put my finger on the thumb. This is so thick. I had a video, there was a couple of videos, and I edit my videos on that KindMaster, it's called that, and every time I went into the shop, because I wanted to put music and whatnot on, I was just getting a white screen. So I sort of, what do you call it? Uninstalled the app and then reinstalled it, and it still wasn't working. Anyway, I didn't get the thumb bit. I emailed them, some customer support thing. Anyway, I got an email this morning saying that I'm not the only one. There's a few people that had, quite a lot, he said. So anyway, I went back into it today and it's fixed. I thought it was because I paid for, you know, the paid for it not manually, annually. Annually. So anyway, that's sorted now. So I'm going to put white on this one. I need to get some new gel polishes. I don't have many. Right, I'm going to put these in the lamp, do a second coat, and I'll be back. Okay, so they've had 2 coats. I put some water in my triangle thing. I'm probably going to use this one. Sorry if you can hear my dog. My dog is always in the video. It's because I've got my window open. And my dog, I swear, has issues. He's always barking. Because I've said in a previous video that there's a cat next door. And all he does is just terrorises the poor cat. I'm just going to cut off this because I don't want it. Maybe cut this bit. I've done this before. I'm very sorry. Let's take that off. Can't take the backing off. There we are. Shit, just dropped it. Right, just bang it in the water. While I'm waiting for that, I got these from eBay. RS nails, base and a non-white top coat. So we'll have a go with these. So I'm going to do base coat. Oh my god, it's because I cream my hands, I can't. Open it. Oh, shit. If all fails, use your teeth. Right. I don't even know what I'm doing. Now I'm going to put the flower on here. I'm just going to base coat. I'll base coat all the orange ones, I guess, so I can put a glitter on it. on this one. Shit. Then get some glitter. Move that. Boogie Woogie. This is really pretty. It's like a fine orange, and it's got some yellow, pink, and orange fluorescent. I nearly said flamingo. Oh, that's beautiful. Beaut, beaut, beaut. Put some butterflies in there. Use this brush. And I need this. Can you see? Yeah. So I've put another base coat on. I'm going to stick some butterfly. So that is them done, top coated. Should really buff it because they've gone out of shape a little bit, but yeah, I think they look cute. I wish I did an orange background on that one, but I think they're kind of cute. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment telling me what you think. So when I'm off, I will leave you. Thank you all so much for watching. Take good care of yourself, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.